How does card counting work? Quick plug, like and share. Now, card counting is a gambling strategy that uses what knowledge you have to predict what will happen. This is done by assigning a value of either -1, 0, or 1. Card counting works best with blackjack or 21. For low numbers, 2 to 6, their cards are assigned a value of 1. 7 to 9 is assigned a value of 0, while jacks to aces are -1. Each card played, regardless of the player, will influence the overall value. So if 2 jacks are played, the value is -2. If a 2, 5 and 3 are played after, then the new count is upgraded to a 1. By knowing that each standard deck has 4 suits, with each suit having jacks, queens, kings and aces, valued at -1, cards numbered 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 having a value of +1 and cards numbered 7, 8, and 9 with a value of 0. So, if you know which cards have been played, you can guess, with a fair degree of accuracy, which cards would be left in the deck. Casinos get around that by using multiple decks at once, jumping the number of cards to count from 52, all the way up to 312 cards or 416 cards, depending how many decks are in play. Counters can account for that by dividing the running count by the number of decks in play. So if the running count is -6, and you know that there's 3 decks in play left, then the true count is -2. That means that to count cards correctly, you must keep a correct count of the cards, know how many decks are in use, and have a good instinct on when to bet high. Even then, under the most ideal scenarios, counting only gives 1 to 2.5% advantage over the casino. So if you're going to count, you better be focused and lucky.